would invite to visit their booths in the upcoming Travel and Lifestyle Expo, please. Sir, Chef, please.
Okay, once again, I would like to invite all of you guys. See you soon on August 29 to 31 for the HR Cup booth. Let's see, we are giving also a lot of souvenirs from HR Cup, and of course, the application para dun sa gusto mag-join. Actually, we are accepting affiliation and of course, the membership on our side ng HR Cup. And for the Valencians naman, pagpunta niyo po ng Baguio, once you visit, sabihin niyo lang yun ko, automatic po 20% discount po yung food. Kasi automatic po yun. It depends pa kung nakaharap po ako ng baka wala na pong bayan. Thank you so much for everyone.
Thank you, Chef. Thank you, Chef. Sir Luki?
Okay, again, on August 29-31, we look forward to seeing everyone at the Step Up Travels booth. Visit our booth, not only to check out and help plan your bespoke travel, but who knows? You might win some cool prizes from us. Yeah. So, I'll leave it at that. Visit our booth for help in planning your next travel and win cool prizes. Thank you.
So, good afternoon again. Yes, please visit our booth on the Travel and Lifestyle Expo. We'll be giving out some surprise gift certificates somehow. And for the media, of course, we already have sent out more mga corporate rates. Later on, yung mga wala pa, we can give out our best available rates. The best available rates that I'm speaking with, talking about is just from the published rate, we'll be giving out 45% off. Medyo malaki na rin yan. And pwede yun with rooms only or with breakfast. And isasama ko na rin doon sa promo for this event, yung two resorts namin. My Cabin in Bulacan and the Ravine. So please invite everyone, your friends, relatives, and support this event. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Sir Tom. Sir Philip?
Thank you so much again, sir, for inviting us to this event. Inviting you all also to come and visit us in our booth. We'll tell you more details about Guam. If you have any questions about our beautiful island destination, you can, not just me, we have some people there to also help you answer questions. And we also have some exciting Guam exclusive items for you. Just go to the booth, show your beautiful faces, and we'll give you some of the items there. So we'll see you there, po.
Thank you, Sir Philip. Of course, Mr. Earl Mayona.
Yeah, so come and visit us in our booth. So very interactive, experiential. We have free eye check-up, we have samples. And of course, meron tayong mga promos and some raffles for the attendees. So see you there on the Travel and Lifestyle Expo.
Thank you, Mr. Earl Mayona. Sir Richard?
Once again, travel is life. So let's enjoy the advantage of getting an advance ticket for travel. Kasi alam mo natin, ito lang natin pagkakataon para mag-enjoy sa buhay through travel. So, good luck to all of us as participants.
Thank you so much, Richard. Thank you so much, of course, to all our panelists. A warm round of applause for them, ladies and gentlemen.